We are given two functions. f of x equals x plus 1. And g of x equals x cubed. We want the inverse of the composition f after g. First, compute the composition. F composed with g at x means f of g of x. Since g of x is x cubed, substitute that into f. Now apply f. F takes an input and adds 1, so f of x cubed is x cubed plus 1. So the composed function is x cubed plus 1. Now let's find the inverse. To find the inverse, start by writing the equation y equals x cubed plus 1. Then swap x and y. This is the standard inverse trick. Now solve for y. Subtract 1 from both sides to get x minus 1 equals y cubed. Finally, take the cube root of both sides. So y equals the cube root of x minus 1. Therefore, the inverse of f composed with g is cube root of x minus 1.